thanks so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a pack with me, specifically how to pack in a carry-on. I'm going to share so many tips and tricks with you guys and exactly how I do it. And I basically pack for security, like how you have to go through security, because if you have ever had to open a suitcase in the middle of an airport, then you know how like awkward that is. I feel like every single person just stares at you so they can see what's in your suitcase. So I always try and avoid that. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. I'm going to do a vlog and I'll talk about in that video like where I'm going and what I'm doing, because if I talk about that in this video, it's going to be like the longest thing ever. So I hope that you guys enjoy this and find it helpful, and let's get started. So I'm going to start out with the makeup, guys, and I showed you this bag in a few vlogs ago, and I really like the size and shape of it. And this is pretty much all the makeup and skincare that I use on an everyday basis. I'm going to link this down below. It comes in a lot of different shapes and sizes, and for the price I think it's really great. And I also will have a bunch of links down below for the products I show you, because if I go through everything in detail, this is going to be a really long video. So when I'm packing a travel makeup bag, I always start out with the first thing I put on my face through the last thing. That way I won't forget anything. For the first two items, I'm packing these primers. I actually don't wear primer on an everyday basis, but I'm going to have some really long makeup days, so it's the perfect time to wear these. Since these are smaller items, I'm putting them in a mesh pocket right on the front. I love that it's see-through so I can see what I have with me. And the next thing is foundation. I've talked about this foundation a few times. It's from NARS, and this just makes your skin look incredible. I love it so much. For my eyeshadow and face powders, I'm going to bring this palette from Tarte that I've talked about a few times. I absolutely love this, you guys. I love every single color, and I just think it's perfect for every day, perfect for travel. If you are a neutral girl, this is totally for you. Shape Tape Concealer is my favorite concealer in the whole world. I'm sure a lot of you guys have tried this and love it too. And the shades that I wear are Fair Beige and Light. Here are a few products from the drugstore that I absolutely swear by. They're both by Milani, and I wear this as a bronzer topper. I wear this as a blush topper. Sometimes if I'm doing a natural makeup day, I wear them alone, but these are just one of the best buys from the drugstore. And then for my eyebrows, I have an Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I also have a brow gel from Essence. If you have ever tried a brow gel from Benefit Cosmetics, it's like the exact same thing. It's such a good dupe. And then for my mascara, I'm bringing this one from Essence. This is one of the best mascaras from the drugstore in my opinion. It totally will give you that falsy effect. I'm going to bring a Wonder Pencil from NYX for the lower lash line. It's like a skin color, and it really just makes your eyes look wide awake and really pretty. And then I'm going to bring a brown pencil for the upper lash line. I also am bringing the number 11s from Kiss. I'm obsessed with these lashes. They're from the drugstore, very affordable. And then I have a black lash glue and a pair of tweezers to help apply. I'm bringing this translucent powder, and I really like this because it makes my makeup last longer, it keeps shine away, and it also makes my skin look so much smoother than it is. I'm also going to throw in a Vaseline. I feel like I always have chapped lips, so this is something I always like to bring with me. And then the very last items for makeup are a lip liner and then 3 lip glosses I've been obsessed with. And I've been wearing White Russian from Buxom for several years. This is a great color. And then I've also been really obsessed with these lip oils lately from e.l.f. I think they look so good. They're really hydrating, and they last a long time too. So here's my makeup bag to give you guys an idea of what it looks like all filled up. I have all of the smaller items right here. I do have to put some brushes in here, obviously, and then I have everything else in the back pocket. Right now I'm starting to load up the personal bag, and anything that has to be taken out for security I put in here. So my laptop, or if I have like some liquid products, I put them in here. That way I can just pull it out and put it through the bin, and I don't feel like I'm taking forever having to unzip a bag. And the very first thing that goes in my personal bag is my makeup bag. This does have some liquids in here, like foundation and stuff. I guess it's like sort of a liquid. I've never had a problem in security with products like that, so I just have it stored in one bag, and that goes in there. I also have all of my liquids, and it has to be in a see-through bag, as you guys know, and it's just like skincare and hair care products. I do purchase smaller sizes of pretty much everything. It's just so much easier than putting everything into small containers on your own. But I do have a few of these, and I will show you what these guys are because they're really good products. And the very first thing I put in a travel size smaller container is a dry shampoo from Captain Blankenship. I love this dry shampoo so much. I will link it. Here are the other two products that I put in smaller containers because I really don't want to go without these. So the first is a facial moisturizer from Pond's. I've been loving this lately. I also have the Cisapar. This is a tiger grass cream from Dr. Jart, and this is for a redness correction. So I put this on right before foundation. And then the next thing is my laptop. And then I have my wallet, and I'm also bringing a smaller purse, but that's going to go into the suitcase carry-on. I also have my planner. I showed this in my last video. I love this planner so much, you guys. I printed out some flight information, and I have that right here in the front pocket. I also am going to put this hairbrush inside of my personal bag. I'm obsessed with these hairbrushes. I use them every single day, so I will link them down below. So here's the layout of the personal bag, guys. I do have pretty much everything in pouches, as you can see. I really like that system because I can have a lot of things with me at my fingertips, but it still stays really organized. I'm actually filming this video in stages. Whenever I have like 5 or 10 minutes, I'm sitting down and doing this, so I don't know how many different shirts and hairstyles I'm going to have in this video, but I wanted to mention a few products I have to have whenever I'm flying. I get really shiny and really dry at the same time. I think it's because of recycled air, and it's just very stuffy on planes and uncomfortable. I love these oil absorbing sheets, and this is the Target brand. I also love the Walgreens brand. I think they're the same thing because they look exactly alike. What I like about these is that they are really thick. They are nothing like those rice paper thin ones that really don't do a whole lot in my opinion. And then I love a Mario facial spray. I'm always like spraying my face, and then I use these, and it's just a few products that I totally have to have whenever I'm flying. I also wanted to show you guys the accessories that I'm bringing. I feel like I'm overpacking, honestly, but I don't really know exactly what I'm going to be doing on this trip, so I sort of like have to overpack, but I'm going to wear these studs, and then I'm bringing a few statement earrings, and I've shown you guys these ones before from Target. I love those. I think these are from Nordstrom Rack, and then I think those are also from Target, but I just want some like statement earrings. And I also am bringing a few bracelets. I'll show you guys those. And then I'm going to be wearing a wrap bracelet from Tory Burch that I wear all the time, and my Fitbit. I'm starting to put everything into my suitcase, guys. The first thing I'm packing are shoes because I like shoes to be on the bottom. So I have these. I showed these to you recently. They are a dupe for Valentino's. They're so pretty. I will link them if they're still available. And then there's a zipper right here, and it's just the inside of the suitcase, but that's where I like to put shoes because shoes are obviously really dirty from walking on the ground, so I don't want that sitting next to like shirts and pants and things like that. I'm bringing another pair of sandals from Marc Fisher. I'm not sure if I'll have a chance to wear these, but hopefully. And the last shoe I'm putting in here are these ones from Sam Edelman. They tie up on the ankle. It's probably hard to tell right now, but I love these. It's not that high, obviously, so they're really comfortable and really cute. I also have these longer dresses I'm putting on the very bottom right on top of shoes because I'm not sure if I'm going to wear those. And then on top of the longer dresses are shorter dresses, and I feel like they're really versatile because they're sort of dressy, but they aren't super dressy. It's something I could wear with flats or heels. It really depends on what I'm doing, if I know what I'm doing. And then on top of that, I have a pink romper. And then I'm putting on some tank tops and some skinny jeans on top of that. I also am bringing this sweater. It has this thing sticking out of it right now, but I love this sweater. It's really versatile, so that definitely is going inside of here. And something I learned a long time ago is to put smaller items inside of larger items to save space. So I'm going to put that accessory roll that I showed you guys inside of this handbag. I also am going to put sunglasses in here and just random small things that I need, probably like phone chargers and laptop chargers. That all is going to go inside my handbag. I actually am going shopping right now for a few more things, so I'm going to show you guys that in the vlog that I filmed for this trip, but that pretty much is everything that I'm going to bring with me except for those few extra items. I'm also putting these guys in here right now so I don't forget them. The first is my hair wand. It does have some scuff marks on it. As you can see, it's extremely loved, but this is the best one in the whole world. I love this one so much. I will link it. I also am throwing in my Luxie hair extensions, and I do have a discount code. It's Alexandra, and I love this hair extension brand. I just pulled these out, so they might look a little messy right now, but so good. And that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. video. I'm going to link as many things as I can in the description box, so definitely check down there if you are wondering where anything is from, and I will be back in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!